Okay, so my case study is looking at the A120 strategic road. This stretch is basically a mix of asphalt and concrete, and this was first constructed in the 70s and 80s, and now it's reaching its end of life, which means it will require reconstruction and a lot of maintenance. So what we're trying to do is understand what is the carbon impact of the future maintenance. So first, basically understanding the historical and the current impacts and how we can improve this in the future. The way I'm going about this is conducting a material flow analysis to quantify what are the materials that are going in the road, what materials can we utilize, for example, to reuse back for the maintenance work, and what is the waste being generated. And then this will then become an inventory for us to do a life cycle assessment. While we're also doing this, we're collecting a list of low carbon asphalt and concrete materials, and we're gonna basically look at what strategies can help achieve decarbonization in the best way possible, and then this would then hopefully help the individual maintenance schemes on the A120 to reduce their impacts.